Let's create this beautiful festive look. First thing first, let's prime our face with the Mars primer. All the product I have used in this video is from Mars. Now put some foundation. I love this foundation, give a dewy finishing. Let's contour our face. I'm contouring the cheekbones, forehead, my jawline, and nose. Now I'm taking this blush, now highlighter. I'm going for minimalistic on my face. Now I'm brushing my brows and filling in, and I love their brow kit. All the products in the description. Now I'm taking this pink color as my base and eyeshadow, and I'm gonna build it up. Now I'm taking a dark pink tone and putting on the corner of my eyelid to give that intense look. Now I'm putting this beautiful champagne color shimmer from the shimmer palette all over my eyes. You can see whatever you want. Some highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner. Let's complete the second eye. I have put in a fake lashes. You can go for a natural lashes also. Now I'm using a lip crayon from Mars. It is a beautiful pink shade. Now quick transition, and this is the final look. This is very easy to create. So do let me know in the comments what do you think.